Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Android tips and tricks for 2025. Today's video is all about how to view all pictures in text messages on Android. If you've ever struggled with buried photos in your messaging app, this quick guide will help you access them effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest software. 2025 brings some awesome enhancements to messaging apps like Google Messages or Samsung Messages. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Messages app. It's usually on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in the app, navigate to the conversation that has the pictures you want to view. Tap on the chat thread and look for the menu icon. It's often 3 dots in the top right corner. From there, select Media or Attachments. This will open a dedicated gallery for that conversation, showing all the photos, videos, and files shared. If you want to view pictures from all conversations at once, go back to the main Messages screen and tap on the search icon or the Gallery tab if available. In 2025, many apps have a unified media view, so you can browse everything in one place. Pro tip: if the pictures aren't loading, check your storage permissions by going to Settings, Apps, Messages, Permissions, and ensure storage access is granted. Another handy feature is downloading or saving these pictures directly. Just tap on a photo, hit the download button, and it'll save to your device's gallery. This is super useful for backing up memories or sharing them elsewhere. We've covered the basics, but remember, different Android manufacturers like Google, Samsung, or OnePlus might have slight variations in their interfaces. If you're using a custom ROM, the steps could vary a bit, so always check your device's user manual. There you have it. Viewing all your text message pictures on Android in 2025 is straightforward and efficient. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.